DJ Fantan Mojah died in hospital Tuesday, July 14, following what was reported as heart complications. He was just short of his 50th birthday. We have clips from our archive of Fantan Mojah in 2004 and 2021.
Tell your mama hungry, papa hungry, brother hungry, sister hungry. Do something for the poor. Open up the door. Tell your mama hungry.
The name Mojah, near to Jah. Fantan, my fans, and they have to turn out when I'm not left.
In the ghetto, you miss your dead you drop. I want to take some soldier handcuff.
It's like you not too like people show up in our business, you see it. But straight across, I love people and you can't go around people because them build you and them can break you.
But put the fire upon Satan. Yo, the Fantan and Norris man, we're getting very strong. King Selassie, I put you upon. God, they don't know what they have done.
Well, from youth days, you know. From youth days, we are trying, but country, you know, we can't bust a country. If we come a town, come kick the giddy. One of the time, I say, I start lift box from Jaro sound. By lifting Jaro box and thing, we get to learn to ride one drop rhythm and them rhythm. And know, say, well, that's what the business there. And we boogle up and kick up thing. The one drop, when you master them thing there, Europe out there wait pan with the market big, you know.
Some people rise and give wicked man a surprise. Put them in front of them eyes. Cause they treat poor people like flies. Hey.
Well, hungry is a song still, you know. Most of my friends, them, you know, them face the hungry, you know. Mama and Papa real hungry, but I tell about hungry. Because it's a youth that they out half a tree on the street and thing. We come from country and their town as a career straight. So when I go back a country, that's I go and hold it. When I tell find myself, I say, nothing I go and get a youth. You know, say you're strong, Fantan, don't give up. I buy all a land more and start cut some yard from some people I know around, so.
Tell them mama hungry, papa hungry, brother hungry, sister hungry. Do something for the poor. Chop, 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 chop. Anywhere me go, girl get wop wop.
Well, if people not talk about you, Anthony, come on, if people not chat about you, you come like you don't know where. People have to talk about you have to set pattern make people jump.
Well, Mojah said, get the younger fans them to listen, but me still have the fans them see, okay, you know, my fans them just grew up now. From them time until now, because Fantan bust at 2004. So, we don't see nothing wrong with that, and the fans them like it. The people them want our vibes, and we are come to entertain the crowds and the people, which is the fans. So, here, what you gonna do? Give the people them music, and that's to come up to do. It's not a religion thing with music. Religion not in a music. So who try to bring in the something there and people that say, Fantan have some girls in a video a dance. Like, come on, the girls them we book them from an agent for them come and work and get them paid. And go take care of them kids, because them have kids too. Come on.
Tell them call me the Fire King. Man a real man.
Fantan get back on the scene. It's all about get back on the scene, music. And a religion thing. So what mix up religion and the music? Don't come this with it and they say it there. Remember we set a trend, you know. Me go back and the whole world follow. Fantan. Then when me go, the sexy pants, yeah. Jamaica, few people, same thing again, a few people just start to real Fantan when I like your dress and wear. And then a few months after me leave and go to Suriname, I see the whole Jamaica in a tight pants. So me I say, oh, these people, some of these people are hypocrites.
With a bachelor, me have a Philippine girl.
We used to rush that one for dirty. We use add cologne. We use nice things. We have our nice clothes. We have to look good, man. Come on, man. The business, Papa, the business. I was around here for a long while and nobody not pay me no mind. One dance song get them. Anthony, one dance song get them.
We do music, so we want we attention. A music we do. And I hit send we youth them go to school, make them go to high school. I hit make we eat, I make we survive, I make enough youth na the ghetto have to come to we, Fantan Mojah, Capleton, Lucia, and you want me name out the people them? We take care of people around here. The new youth that we bust nowadays nah give nobody nothing at all, them nah give youth them nah get for nothing at all, them hide from the youth them by the way, if you never know. The new youth them we bust around here, big them up, because we not carry down no one. Every artist to get them chance. But whenever you get your chance, remember the ghetto, and that's the whole that we come from.
Tell them call me the Fire King. Man a real man, me no money queen.
As we say, we are entertainers, so we have to be jovial with the people them. And them know that Fantan Mojah not stop up. We're real for man and real youth. Yeah. love the people them, stop and greet my fan them all the while, now pass them.
Tell them call me the fire king. Man a real man, me no money queen.